Hello guys, today we are back with another interesting review. So the problem is I have 7 electronics devices in my room. So for these 7 devices I need 7 different remote controls and I need separate space for these remote controls, which is very annoying. So do you really think in this century we need 7 different remote controls for each device? I don't think so. So here's the solution. Wi-Fi infrared radio frequency remote control device. In this device, you can control over 4,000 electronic devices, whether these are infrared or radio frequency devices. You can control from this device, which will be connected from your cell phone. From your cell phone, you can connect all these devices from anywhere in the world. So this is a very little device, but you can control all devices. You don't need too many remote controls for each device. Only you have to set up this and control your devices. So let's unbox it. So let's unbox this interesting device. So let's check what is in it. So let's see what in it. This is the instructions. This is the instruction, and this is a small device. You can see this is a very little device which control your all electronic devices. So this is very small device, universal infrared remote control. And what else in this device, in this box? So here's the cable, data cable. You can see this. We just have to connect this and we have to plug it on, so we can control all devices using this. First we have to connect this device into your application, then we can use it. So let's connect this device and see how it works. So let's connect this device into our cell phone application. So this device support for Android Smart Life and Smart Home, two applications. Currently I am using Smart Life, so let's install it and use it. So first go to Play Store, and here you can search Smart Life. So you can see this device Smart Life. We have to install it. I've already installed in my device. So after install, open this device and log in into your account. It is already account login from my device. Go to a device. So here you can see lot of electronic devices, smart devices. On the left side you can see there are many categories. You have to go on others, and here you can see universal remote control. So first we have to connect this device into our charger. So insert this plug-in into this device. So after connect this, blinking, there are lights on which is blinking. It means that our device on Bluetooth mode. So we have to open our Bluetooth and location also. So I have already opened both application. You can see location is already open and Bluetooth is already open. So first go to application, universal remote control. Here you can see that to your Wi-Fi connection devices. So your Wi-Fi device and password must be accurate. So this Wi-Fi and password will be connected to this device. So from this you can use this. So go to next. So this is asking that your device is blinking or not. So you can see this that our device is blinking. It means it is on connected mode. So we just have to confirm the indicator is blinking. Now this will ask blinking slowly or quickly. Our device is blinking quickly. So now our device is connecting. It will take some time to connect. It is still barely blinking. So now it is not blinking. So it is, I think it is ready to connect. So let's wait few seconds. It will be connect. Here you can see that our infrared remote control device added successfully into our list. So done. First we have to select done. Now you can see the interface of our application. Now there are two remote control. Number one is infrared, and number second is radio frequency remote control. So There are two types of remote controls you can see. Some are infrared and some are radio frequency device. For example, I have these two devices. You can see this. This remote is control radio frequency wireless device. This is my ring light, and this is radio frequency device. So first you have to know that which device you have, remote infrared device or the radio frequency devices. So for example, we are let's try on radio frequency remote device. This is our my ring light remote controller. So first I go to radio frequency remote box. I select and create. So you can see there are many companies that which are available here, but this is I am using very local device. So you can, if your device is not available here, which you are using, you simply go on DIY. Using DIY, you can control any device. You can add your functionality of any remote controller. So here you can see we have to learn our remote control into this device. So press on plus. Now please enter the electrical frequency band. So we don't know our frequency, just unable to confirm remote control band. Now please bring the electrical remote control close to remote control. Now we have to press and hold, just like for example I want to turn off my button. I want to learn this device to turn off this button. Now we have to press this. I have pressed this device and see what happened. I have pressed this off button. You can see this says learn success. So this device learned that this is off button. So you can set any name. This is for this case if your device is not available in this list, then you can use the DIY function. So save this. Next. Now we have to try this that is working or not. So let's turn on, turn off, turn on. You can see the light effects. So this device is working fine. I'm controlling this device not from this device. Here you can see. So press yes as the appliances respond correctly to keystroke. I said yes, this is working fine. So in this way you can set all these buttons. So finish it. Here is our device, it is already set. You can rename this device also, just as says ring light. You can save it with any name. So I says. So here you can see that our device is saved in our home page. You can see the ring light. So now let's check on infrared device. So there I have one remote control of AC remote control. This is infrared device. So let's go on the infrared remote box. I said add. Now you have to find here. Now this is quick match or land match. Land match is DIY function, but we set quick match. Now we have to choose brand of the AC. I have TCL remote. No, sorry, I have Giri. You can see that Giri remote control. We have to select Giri. Now we have to choose this. To first, this is the quick match that our remote control is working or not, on off. If it is working, then it is workable. So let me turn out my AC, then check. So this is my air conditioner. So let's check that on off button is working or not. So let's press on on. Here you can see that my on function is working fine. So if this remote control is not matched on your air condition, so click on another one and press again. So currently it is working on my this AC. So I can second control manual mode. Here you can see there are many functionalities available, just like increase temperature. It is working, switch off and switched off. So in this way you can use this device. There are some other functionalities also available. So you can see just like create scene. So there are other functionalities you can set, just like tap to run when weather changes, when location changes, schedule, when device status change, so you can use all these functionalities and make your life easy. So this was short introduction about my dreamy device. Now I don't need too many remote controls to control all my electronics devices. I just need to install this little device into my room. Then I can manage all my devices from any cell phone from in the world. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can ask and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.